As far as the expression goes, don't try this at home, they say, kids. So, engine on, first gear. Let's get up to speed. That's first gear, second gear. Now what I'm doing is quite dangerous. If you do not know what you're doing, you do not do this shit at home unless you've got a solid wall in front of you to stop the vehicle should it climb off with the jacks. But now, at least we can hear the noise. And you guys already heard the noise. Now we're going to try and find it. That shit's coming from a gearbox. So the next shenanigans continue. Got a bit of a noise at the back. And the diff is very foamy inside. So we're going to open it up and give it a service. Right, having a look at the color of that. That's definitely overdue for a change. Right, time to have a look how it looks inside. It's not telling when last this thing was serviced. Oh, that's sludgy. You say that foam is not supposed to be there?
Not that much. It's supposed to be foamy, but not that much.
Oh man, you must see it on this side. Oh, that's rank. Oh, and it smells bad as well.
Yeah, it does stink.
Okay, well, let's get this cleaned up. Ah, good evening to you. Let's have a look what's cooking. Oh, it's so shiny and clean. So we don't have any gaskets, so we're gonna go ahead and put on the layer of the old gasket sealer. Seal her up, and tomorrow morning throw in some fresh diff oil, and hopefully the sound that I heard will be gone. Shenanigans never end. We love restoring old vehicles, don't we? Well, the Saga is minutes away from an end. If you don't have a shop pump to fill your gearbox and diff, you can make a little homemade contraption like this. I do need to warn you though, it takes forever. Like literal hours. The viscosity of this oil is insane. It's like honey. On a side note, and a bad note, I've seen some oil, and that is not what we want. So I'll keep you guys updated. Just about done topping this up. Gonna turn the screws in and take her for a test drive, and then feel how she feels and hear if that noise that I heard has gone away. And if that noise presents again, I'll record it, but hopefully I will not need to. It's just very weird. It's sort of like a whining, squealing when the gears are engaged, but it only occurred after a while, so hopefully it's not going to be such a long thing. Well, hopefully the problem is sorted at least. So in here, done a bit of cleaning. Not that it looks like it, but it's got a serious lot of years worth of neglect. So yeah, just waiting for that sucker to start dripping out over there, and then we know she's full, and I can cap her up and bring her down and take her for a test drive.